Hey guys, Dominic Dillon, CEO and President of 3B Protection. We are showcasing our walls. These walls have been fully installed, fully foundations, everything as you would have on the site. On the left side of me, we have two Euro Level 9 walls. These are different compositions. They're made up of our 3B material. They're also made up of different additives that go into that to give it extra protection, blast protection, fire protection, forced entry. They also cover various different fire levels, up to 4 hours fire protection. We're going to be testing these walls with a multitude of different rounds. And on the right side of me, we have our Euro Level 10 walls. We produce these walls to cover a various amount of different threats. And they could be fire, they could be blast, they could be forced entry. They cover a multitude of threats. But what you actually get is you get all of those threats covered in one wall. Once that wall's installed, compared to any other traditional concrete wall, this wall will outperform on the ballistic capability, the blast capability, easy to install, easy to repair. And in the middle here, we have our door, which we produce ourselves. That goes up to a Euro Level 10. We're going to be demonstrating the robustness of this door. We're going to be applying multiple rounds around the lock area, around the frame area. And as you can see, very easily slides into our wall. Straight in the middle, easy to install, easy to remove for any damage.
My name is Sinan Ackerman. I am the CEO of Almodyne Corporation. We're a guns and ammunition manufacturer. We have manufacturing facilities abroad in Asia and in Europe. Our customers are basically NATO governments who have issues at their borders, issue with internal terrorism, and they need proper protection from outside fire. When considering security options going forward, we're looking for modularity and practicality alongside the penetration protection that it provides. Well, today, thanks to the invite, we got a chance to tear that wall down, or try to tear down that wall with everything 50 caliber below and a few above, I think. They demonstrated a car bomb, which blew up right in front of the wall. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's quite impressive, actually. The backside is untouched. Penetration is impressive. We were quite impressed. We see more bad actors in the playing field. We're seeing more innovative ways that they approach. So I think the defense industry needs to step up as well, keep up with the changes that are coming. These types of security measures are unfortunately becoming more and more in demand. There's going to be a lot of use in demand for this, I'm thinking.
My name is Tom Steiner. My company is Steiner Consulting. I do international foreign military weapon sales. What I experienced today was my first time seeing the 3B protection product. The walls, some of its capability, its thicknesses, and its ability to handle small rounds, ammunition up to 50 caliber. We shot a plethora of different types of ammunition into the walls in concentrated areas and single round shots of piercing rounds through some of the walls and very limited penetration. The design of them is super impressive. I've never seen anything like this before. I was firing one of the machine guns in the same spot, must have put 50 rounds into it. It didn't even touch the wall for penetration. When you saw a car bomb demonstration, didn't affect the wall at all. It hit the wall, wasn't very deeply embedded in the ground, the wall, and the other side of the wall is basically untouched. So fire, ammunition, detonation, explosions, it's quite impressive. I've never seen anything like this before. My space is in the international market with our partnered defense forces, and they are not aware of a product like this, and my job is to get this product in front of them. There are some areas right now with the current threats in the Middle East and in Europe that these are critical to protect our allies and their equipment, because there are bad actors out there that are just dying and easy to get into some of these logistic sites, these command and control nodes and these bases and wreak havoc for our allied partners out there, and this is something that will help protect them.
Hey guys, the end of day 2 here at the 3B demonstration we've been holding here in Las Vegas. A very successful few days. We shot over 8,500 rounds of varying different caliber sizes. We've blown up 2 cars. We performed fire tests, and behind me you can see the end result of what we have here. The 3B walls are still standing. We put over 400 rounds into our door. We took 200 rounds to shoot the locks out of our door, and you can see that the door is still structurally in place. Overall, very successful few days, demonstrating how robust 3B is. 3B Protection holds these events every few months. If you'd like to be invited and come out and witness 3B in its glory, please get in contact with us at www.3bprotection.com.